kod achiel. Komachielo eni riwruok marango yiero e pachoka mano ELOG wacho ni nitiere chochni maka kod kacha mabende nobedo e yiero ma adundo mane obagi tarik 27 dwe mokalo. Coordinator mar ELOG Mule Musau owacho ni nitiere ikruok makare kata kamano odiochieng yiero no ne nitiere lipode mag tulo, soya kod buogo jorang yiero mane obedo kuonde luto ombulu.
In 15.2% of observed polling stations, voters were seen photographing marked ballot papers, undermining the secrecy of the vote. These incidents occurred despite existing regulations prohibiting the use of phones in voting booths. We noted this in 65.9% of the polling stations that we observed. While this is allowed under law, ELOG notes that in a number of cases, the election officials did not have data on, especially where the assistance was conducted by the presiding officer. Where a Kenyan decides to assist a voter, that is recorded somewhere within the records of the polling station. Where the presiding officers were in charge or assisted, they did not do that.
Jakomar ELOG Victor Nyongesa korka koreto jiwo wach mar keto e tema chike mantiere matayo yiero mondo miyo geng' timbe ma ok ni kare manyocha ne onenore e yiero go.
To political parties and the candidates adhere to the Electoral Code of Conduct at all times and ensure that the same for party members and aspirants under the party ticket. Political parties, just like the IBC, have the power to disqualify candidates in breach of electoral rules, as well as the code of conduct that the parties commit themselves to. Uphold ethical campaign standard by rejecting bribery, coercion, and disruptive conduct. Work with IBC to ensure that party agents are properly accredited and deployed into the designated polling stations.